Happy evening, friends, and I hope you all had a good weekend and a relaxed weekend with your family and friends. Uh, now we're looking at the Monday market. A lot of us are now, seeing that market can move or fall huge within just about 2 3 days. In fact, on Friday, we had a lot of people thought it may recover and move up. In fact, it did recover to large extent. It gave us a lot of opportunities on the long side. Uh, Let me just share what are the trades we took. HDFC futures we were looking to short and options also. 1560 put from 20 it gave us 32, 33. And Balkrishna Industries was slightly positive, did not come into our trades. TVS Motors, I think, was also slightly on the positive side. Let's look at TVS Motors, how it moved. Initially, TVS Motors, I think, uh, it, of course, it opened gap down. So, uh, it did move below 1493 within few minutes. I think it hit our targets of 1487 or 85. So very tough trade. Of course, first 15 minutes after that it did move up. So uh, we were looking at Sensex put initially. However, looking at the market condition, we immediately shifted to uh, 44 800 call from 370. It hit 410 440 also. Fin Nifty, in fact, from 132 1 to 150, and in fact, we also retraded with revised target of entry level to 130 to 150. Post that, we said we will avoid for now and wait for the right levels uh, because even if it is active, market may be flat, so we shall avoid. It did not, of course, come 130 levels again later. And then we will shifted to Sensex put 118. Uh, so 118, it were from 118 it went, of course, 150 to 170 also. Post that again we saw a call alongside. So market was like trading on the both the sides. It was giving us opportunity on both sides. However, we also shared that now we are getting more on the trade on the call side. We will see PE which will move at the end, and Sensex 66 300 put from 375. The high made was, I think, around 220 or so. So high made was, yeah, 320 in fact. So here are the trades which we shared, and good opportunities were given. Uh, Likewise, today we are looking at the market. Tomorrow, in fact, mid cap Nifty expiry. So we are looking at these two trades. If 1950 call moves above 49, then we will look at the small target of 65.78. And if mid cap Nifty is 1000, sorry, 9050 put moves above 35, then we look at targets of 50 to 65 plus. Let me do the corrections. 9050 and 9050 put. So on the Nifty, we are looking at some positional trades. Let me just share what are the positional trades I'm looking at. Uh, Before that, let us look at Bank Nifty positional. This, or when I say positional, if this prices moves, then if 44 800 moves about 290 through 94, Then we will look at targets of 380, 475, 500 plus also. So what we will do is we'll buy two lots if the price comes. First lot we will exit at the first target, and the next, and then will trail our stop loss accordingly, or we will trail a stop loss to break even to the next targets as it moves, as and when it moves, and we will try and see if we can hold the positions for the next day also. Uh, as we were mentioning, and same with the bit 44 500 put. These are the price levels. If it moves above these levels, we will buy two lots, exit one lot at the first target, and then we will trail the stop losses. Same in the case of Nifty. Uh, if 19750 call moves above 96, then we will look at targets of 112, 135, 165, and this could happen not tomorrow. It could happen before the expiry. Since the possibilities are of happening, or we will trade with one lot. I mean, we will trade with two lots first, as I mentioned, and exit at the subsequent targets. And 19600 put above 73, we will look at targets of 111 to 145, 165 in the before the expiry. So these are levels no, we have experimented or back tested it earlier also, and working based on the strategy. Glenmark, if price moves above 806 tomorrow in futures, then we will look at targets of 809 to 10. And if 800 call moves above 18, then we will look at targets of 22, 20 to 22 plus. Grasim, we are slightly on the sell side. If price of 1920 put moves about 27, we look at targets of 31 plus. HCL Tech, we are looking on the PE side. If 1270 put moves about 12.5, we will look at targets of 15 to 18 also. Uh, Axis Bank, if 1020 put moves above 10.3, then we will look at targets of 12, a small target. HDFC Life, we are also again we're looking at the sell side. 650 put above 8, we look at targets of 10 to 11 plus. Uh, ICICI Bank, though it may not come, but if 950 put moves above 9.2, then we look at targets of 11.5 to 12. So these are the trades we're looking at tomorrow. And Kotak Mahindra Bank also 1760 put if it moves above 18, then 17, and we look at targets of 20 plus. So these are the stocks we are looking in keeping in radar. Being a monthly expiry, we would request our friends to trade with one lot only. Don't go heavy positions and take a huge risk. And here, Nifty, another thing which I would like to uh, share is that the range right now is huge. If the price, I mean the levels, 19600, we will see big moves in Nifty. If price moves above 19800 or 820, and below we will see if price moves above 19600 or so. So between this range, market can be slightly range boundish, and we would look at very small positions of maybe two dots, and as mentioned, we will look at positional trades also. So I hope our channel has been helpful. A lot of viewers have been asking us, how do you look at the charts? What is that you look at charts, volumes, etc. So we look at data as well. We will look at price action, and we will before we share our views, we will look at market in different time frames. And very important thing is price action is supreme. No indicators help. However, if some people would like to use indicators, they are happy to do. We look at double confirmations before we take any trade. Uh, and those who are keen can contact us. We also have students who've been learning or basically we are sharing our knowledge, what we have learned through years of experience on charts, on patterns, on data, and various strategies which we have learned through various traders. We also look at all good trades, which is very crucial in the market. Um, this week can be uh, crucial because there will be a lot of position rollovers and market can be volatile. So trade safely. God bless you all. And I hope our channel has been helpful. If it has been, please do share the channel with your friends. Name of the channel, I think you all would know by now. It is Chat Speak with Logic or uh, uh, Chats with Logic Trading. So thank you. Chats and logical trading is what we look at. So thank you so much for joining in and God bless you. Take care.